Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So this is another special video on your demand that how can we earn yourself or how can you work without any prior skill or prior graduation. So this video will be discussing how can we earn from just working from home without any skills or you are irrespective of any graduation or just do the part-time job, so whatever it is. So watch this video full. It is very useful for every graduating students or graduated students. So before getting to this content of this video, I would like to make a general reminder on the courses that we are providing, like data structures and algorithm using Java. It's going to start on 3rd of May. The whole package is available to you at just rupees 349. Just make use of this opportunity and get enrolled in it. It's live classes, like line by coding explanations will be there, theoretical part and coding, everything will be discussed in detail. It's a weekly class, like weekly 5 days you have classes, and summer training certificate is also available. There are so much jobs where you require certification courses, so this will definitely help you there. Now, after 50 registrations, there will be price hike to 500. So before that end, make your registrations at the earliest. So now that's all about the courses, and there are so much courses available, so much professional courses, placement trainings available in our application. Have a look at it. The links will be there in the description box. You can either search Online Study for You in Play Store as well. Now let's move on to the video which we are talking about. Amazon is having so much job opportunities like work from home level. So you can make this so much under so much categories we have the openings to make it opportunities if you are just interested in it. Here you can see work from home in back bracket. So everything is work from home. They have given the location too, but it's okay. It's fine. It is not a problem. You can opt to it. Here you can see I'll be getting an example with it, like selling partner support. In job description, you can see like their qualification requirement is bachelor's in any disciple with 0 to 10 years of experience. One thing that you must have is a good communication in English, and weekly off, like weekly 2 days will be getting off, but it is not constant like Saturday or Sunday. Any these 2 days you'll be getting off, and shifts will be like 24/7. You must be able to work like day shift, night shift, whatever it is. You must be flexible with it. And first 4 months of training, you will be not allowed to take any leaves. So like sudden unplanned leaves are allowed it. And the one thing that you must be flexible or ability to use desktop or laptop, like internet browsers, Windows OS, Microsoft Outlook, and MS Office, and home environment free from background noises, and should have a good internet connections and mobile phone access. And in case of power shutdown, also you must have the power backup too. And candidates who are based in Kolkata should apply. They have given here, but still it's a work from home environment, so it is not a problem. You can just apply too. So to apply, you have to click this apply button. So this is how you have to make your registration. And this is not the case of in English. There are so much for people who having the problem in communicating with English. So it is not about that. You can have a look at it. There is for Malayalam too. See DZA Malayalam Chennai. The description you can read like, yeah, the candidate should read and write Malayalam. So those who are good at Malayalam, you can go for that. There are so much like that. It's not about Malayalam alone. If you have gone through so much of job descriptions, you'll be getting to know there are so much opportunities ahead. Here, yes. So the registration, this is a registration page. You have to activate this CAPTCHA and this is the registration form. You have to give the job details is given here. You have to provide the source, your personal details, your citizenship, address, higher education profile. If you have experience, then experience result and other details, everything. And upload your resume and your photo. And the like condition is given here, either in doc, docs, PDF, TXT, or minimum 3 or below. PNG, GIF, JPG, and JPG, maximum size of 4 MB. So this is the expected thing. You can just obey this terms and condition. And after that, you can apply for this job. This is how you have to register for Amazon. Let's register. After that, you can submit your registration. This is how you have to apply for Amazon. You can go through that link that we provided and choose among your interest which job you have to apply. And after that, you can make your registration. So this is about, and one more thing that I would like to remind you that the link is have been came within just few days. I mean, it is available under Amazon carriers. So they will be withdrawing the link if the application is flooded. I mean, there are so much registrations. So before that link gets withdrawn, you just make your registration. Till now, it is active. I have shown you live. Till now, it's active. So just make your registrations at the earliest. They'll be withdrawing the link at the earliest. Okay. So that's all about the Amazon. Next, moving on to the other, which is Voices. So Voices is providing a part-time job opportunities for anyone, like students, homemakers, whoever it is. Okay. So you can see here, this is just voiceovers. You have to give your voice, like you have to record something with your voice and language, everything will be there, and you can select it according to the categories which is you're comfortable. And here you can see 0 to 2 minutes of recording with 300 or less number of words, word count. Then you'll be getting payment of $100 to $249, and 2 to 5 minutes you'll be getting $12.50 to $499, which is a great. You can $1 is approximately 70 some rupees, 70 or 60 something rupees Indian money. So yes, this is a great package. I mean, this is not a package, but still you can earn a lot from this work from home. If students, you just have to spend few minutes to earn thousands of rupees. So you can make use of this, anyone. And one more opportunity, which is like Chegg India. So Chegg India is actually a homework, like a teaching website where you have so much opportunities in teaching. Here you can see you'll be getting paid. You can approximately earn 1 lakh per month. Okay, approximately you can earn 1 lakh per month according to your experience or according to your performance. You just have to give the answers. There are so much jobs out there. You can be a content creator, you can be a answer, I mean, like question answer expert. You'll be handling the question answers. So if graduating students, you can just make use of your syllabusal document there and just earn it. So there are so much earning opportunities wide in this internet, so make use of these opportunities. So I have discussed about the three openings now, which is not saturated. There is so much like Fiverr, Upwork, TransferMe, etc. But it is a bit difficult to get because your profile getting noticed by others is very difficult. Professionals professionals are basically doing the work in Fiverr, Upwork, TransferMe, etc. So this is basically which is among the common category. So you can make use of this opportunity. So I have clearly explained what is there and what is here. Just explore the links provided and know about your interest, intersection of your interest, and know about the every earning probabilities. Okay, so that's all about today. If you have any queries, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you have any suggestions regarding the contents we present before you, you can connect us in any social media platforms. You can make as a comment in any of the comment section in any of the videos that we put forward before you. So that's all today. For today, I'm just wrapping out. Until I come up with another video regarding so much opportunities, which will definitely help you. Thank you and have a great day. Everyone, be safe and stay tuned to Online Study for You.